Meaning of distal.
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 Distal. Distal refers to a location that is further away from the center of the body or a point of reference. This term is often used to describe the position of body parts relative to each other, such as when identifying the location of a nerve, blood vessel, or bone. For example, the fingers are distal to the wrist because they are further away from the center of the body. This term is also used in other fields, such as botany and geology, to describe the location of plant parts or geological formations.